So dear students, I am going to start the next remaining part of the summary writing. Yesterday I have discussed the summary writing part, first part. So today I am going to discuss the summary writing second part. So text B, summary passage I have discussed yesterday. So I'm going to talk about the summary. When you write a brief summary of the given extract given passage, so how will you write the answer on your screen? I have given man's best friend. It is a short and brief title of your summary extract. The dog is an unselfish, faithful, and loving friend of man. He follows his master whether he is rich or poor, healthy or sick. A man may lose his fame, money, or friends, but never his dog. Even during his worst misfortunes, the dog protects his master and fights against his enemies. When the master dies, the dog watches over his grave. In 62 words, it is a brief summary of the passage. Now, explanation. You must have guessed that text B is a summary of text A. Let us see what the differences between the two are. Okay. Text A has a 188 words and text B has 62 words. Text B gives a summary of text A. Text A has 4 paragraphs, but text B has only one. Text A has no title, but the text B has a title, Man's Best Friend. Can you think of a better title? It's a module example. You can give, you can write any other appropriate title for the text. After reading the text B, do you find any sentence copied word to word from text A? No. It is written in simpler words, in simpler manner. Last point, important ideas or points in the text A. In paragraph 1, dog man's most loyal friend. In paragraph 2, dog devoted a master at all times. Paragraph 3, dog loves guards master. And paragraph 4, dog loyal even in death. Steps to remember. Reduce the length of the passage. You have to reduce the length of the passage if the given extract given passage is very lengthy or long. So you have to reduce length of the passage. Write the summary in a single paragraph. No short paragraphs are needed. You have to write your answer in a common paragraph of summary writing. Give a suitable title to your summary. Title should be brief, it is short. Write the summary in your own words. You can use your own language while writing answer of summary writing question with the help of given points. Include only the main ideas. Students have to focus, students have to write the main ideas it should include in the answer of summary. Okay. Now here I tell you one thing. I show you some paragraphs for practice. A first passage I have provided in my video here. First passage, passage number 1. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. Human resources is used to describe both the people who work for a company or organization and the department responsible for managing resources related to employees. And the term human resources was first coined in the 1960s when the value of labor relations began to garner attention and when nations such as motivation, organizational behavior, and selection assessments began to shape. Human resource management is a contemporary term used to describe the management and development of employees in an organization. It is also called personal or talent. Management, human resource management involves overseeing all things related to managing an organization's human capital. Human resource management is focused on a number of major areas, including recruiting and staffing, compensation and benefits, training and learning, and labor and employee relations. Due to the many areas of human resource management, it is a typical for professionals in this field to possess specific expertise in one or more areas. Human resource management involves developing and administering programs that are designed to increase the effectiveness of an organization or a business. It includes the entire spectrum of creating, managing, and cultivating the employer employee relationship. For most organizations, agencies, and businesses, the human resources department is responsible for managing job recruitment, selection and promotion, developing and overseeing employee benefits and wellness programs. Third point, developing, promoting, and enforcing personal policies. Next, promoting employee career development and job training, providing orientation program for new hires, providing guidance regarding disciplinary actions, serving as a primary contact for worksite injuries or accidents. HR department pays attention no employee strength. Companies must make every effort to understand what candidates and employees do best and put them into roles where the act play to their much as possibles. So in this way, it is a passage for summary writing. Whenever you write the answer of this passage, you have to find out the main ideas, you have to find out the hints for writing answer of summary writing. Now I'm going to take the next passage, paragraph 2. Passage number 2. Tropical forests are closed canopy forest growing within 28 degrees north or south of the equator, and they are very wet places receiving more than 200 centimeter rainfall per year. Either seasonally or throughout the year, temperatures are uniformly high between 20 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. Such forests are found in Asia, Australia, Africa, South America, Central America, Mexico, and on many of the Pacific islands. Rainforest trees are quite different from trees of temperate forest. In the rainforest, trees grow to gigantic size, supported by strong strut-like buttresses at the base of the trunk that help to stabilize them in a shallow forest soils. Huge creepers twine themselves around the trunks of trees. A matured lowland tropical forest consists of several layers. The top layer of vegetation consists of scattered tall trees which tower above a close canopy layer formed by the crowns of trees. The canopy is the most exciting part of the rainforest. It is here that most of the flowering and fruiting of the trees takes place, attracting a variety of spectacular creatures. Below the canopy is a third layer formed by smaller trees whose crowns do not meet. Below that is a layer that's composed of woody and herbaceous shrubs. Finally, there is the ground layer which receives very little sunlight. Tropical forests have the largest living biomass and boast some of the highest rates of terrestrial biodiversity, but rainforests are perhaps the most endangered habitat on Earth and most vulnerable to deforestation. Each year, some 140,000 square kilometers of rainforest are destroyed. Rainforests are being felled for timber by logging companies and cleared by people for farming. The most endangered rainforests are those in West Africa, where human populations are doubling every 20 years, and in Central America and Southeast Asia, although large areas of rainforest remain in Central Africa and South America. They too are disappearing at an alarming rate. Both are two paragraphs for summary writing. Okay. I come to the second passage I have discussed. Now see the summary of the rainforest passage, friends. I tell you the answer here. How will you write the answer of summary of this second passage? Directly, I have come to the second passage. The title of the brief summary here, Rainforest. It is very short title. It is a suitable title for this passage, dear friends, Rainforest. See the answer, how you can write the answer like this. Rainforests are seen within 28 degrees north or south of the equator. It receives more than 200 centimeter rainfall per year. Temperatures are uniformly high between 20 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. They are found in Asia, Australia, Africa, South America, Central America, Mexico, on the many of Pacific islands. In the rainforest, trees grow to gigantic size, supported by strong strut-like buttresses at the base of the trunk. The canopy is the most exciting part of the rainforest. Tropical forests have the largest living biomass and the highest rates of terrestrial biodiversity. Then, but rainforests are perhaps the most endangered habitat on Earth and most vulnerable to deforestation. Okay, so in this way, you can solve the examples of summary writing topic. Dear friends, when you solve the different examples of summary writing activities, so first examiner or paper setter will give you the particular one passage. Read the passage carefully, find out main hints, main ideas from the given passage, from the extract, try to understand, try to learn it, and then start your writing for answer. So all the best to all my dear students. You will solve various examples, find out various examples from various question papers of board. Whenever you need my help, you can talk with me, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.